Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to open business account in Mashreq Bank. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to open business account in Mashreq Bank, first what you need to do is choose the right business account type. Mashreq offers different business banking options like NeoBiz digital business account designed for SMEs, startups, and small businesses, typically easier and faster to open online with minimal documentation, and traditional business accounts for larger companies, corporate clients, or specific commercial needs. May include more features like multi-currency accounts, higher limits, relationship managers, etc. Then the documents you'll need is valid trade license. For core company documents, memorandum or articles of association, certificate of incorporation or commercial registration, company address proof, example HR utility bill, then bank resolution or authorization letter if required. For identity documents, passport copies and Emirates IDs or visa copies of all owners, directors, and authorized signators. Then, in order to do it, simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar type in digital.mashreq.com. Now if you are opening a new business account, simply tap on the apply now option. Then here what you need to do is scroll once again, then enter in your details like your first name, last name, your email address, and confirm your email address once again by typing in the email address once again, then your mobile number. Now select the company structure, and then once done, agree to all the terms and conditions, and then tap on continue with the application. Once the form has been submitted, a bank representative may contact you for verification or clarification, and this method is typically fast and paper-free. Now the next method is in-branch or relationship manager. Visit a Mashreq bank branch and ask for business banking or account opening, and submit physical copies of all documents. Bank staff will guide you through verification, and this is common for larger accounts or more complex company structures. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.